guys, and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we have fried rice in 5 minutes, man. Nobody can beat that. Miss Ninja is gonna be doing it, I'm gonna be filming, and we're gonna have a lot of fun in here too. So let's get into it. Woo!
Well, believe it or not, it's 5 minutes for fried rice. Let me show you how to do it. Come with me to my refrigerator. Leftovers from the other night. Simple, quick, and fun. We have here some pork, some rice that I have left over from previous dinner. Okay, this is the first thing we're gonna get going, our wok. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. You can use a fry pan. But all of the things that you see here, the ingredients that we're gonna use today, these are previously made from previously dinner that I had in the refrigerator. So I'm trying to show you here how to recycle whatever you have in your refrigerator. Let's get going here. Let's put some oil. And this is a 5-minute fried rice, believe it or not, my dear. It's vegetable oil, some butter, and we're gonna get our garlic going in here. And the way that I'm making this fried rice today, it's based pretty much on the style of the hibachi. Let's get some onion powder, garlic powder, some fresh pepper. Oh my god, this already smells, and we have not even halfway of it. And let's get going. See the bubbles? That's from the butter and the oil. These are pork chops that I have left over from dinner the other night. Fried rice is really quick, and you have to move really quick because you can burn actually the garlic. So what you have to do is you put things on the side so you can start working on the rest of your stuff, because the middle of the wok is the hottest part. 2 eggs, the most undesirable thing of Mr. Ninja, but that's part of the fried rice. There's nothing we can do about it. Let's stir them real quick. We don't need salt for this, since we're going to add up some soy sauce and sesame seed oil. That'll be plenty of the salt that you need for this fried rice. Now our egg is almost done, and we're gonna go ahead and move it to the side. You see how I always keep like a hole in the middle, because that's the hottest part. We're gonna put a little bit more of butter. Put some butter, a little bit more of garlic powder. Everything's just a little. I found some leftovers of peas and carrots in my refrigerator. We're gonna go ahead and saute this. This is almost done. And now we move it to the side again. Always leave that hole in the middle, because now we're gonna come with our rice and just put them in the middle. There's a right. Oh my gosh, these look so good and smells so good. So good. And like I said before, if you don't have a wok, it doesn't matter. Just get a fry pan. This is a very simple, quick recipe. Okay, you see the rice? How it's becoming back to life. And now this is where the magic happens. Let's mix everything together. Ready? Let's go. Separate your eggs. Make sure you separate them, because you want it all over your rice. And then always bring your stove to medium high. Turn them around. Let's add up our soy sauce. Soy sauce. Can you hear that? Ooh, look at the color, how they changing. Sesame seed oil. Just a little. That's for flavor. Give it a few toasts. Look at the colors, how it's changing. How it's turning brown. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Turn off your stove. Remember what I told you. You don't want to burn your sesame seed oil. And voila! We're done, guys. Put them in the side. And let's get ready. Serve this, and the best part, Let's try it.
Nothing can beat that. Whatever leftover you have from the other days, you just put it together, throw it in there.
It's very simple. It's quick and really flavorful. You have everything in there at once.
I love fried rice. I don't like eggs. I'm gonna give it a try for you guys. The things that I do.
You know what? And this sauce right here, this is from the Japanese steakhouse, which is one of my favorite. It's called the Yum Yum sauce.
Yum.
Yum Yum. You can buy it ready made if you want to. So
Nothing can beat that, guys. Let's go for it.
let's go.
Let's do this.
Asian style. Get it close to your mouth. And there we go.
Oh,
Love it.
this is actually really, really good, guys. And that sauce is awesome. It's impressive. That thing brings the flavor up a lot.
And believe it or not, this is one of my daughter's favorite. Actually, when I make hibachi, she goes nuts, right?
She love it. I love it too. I love this sauce, so let's put a little bit more in there.
Yeah.
Woo, baby.
But this is really good. Quick, simple, and fun.
So there you have it, guys. Easy, quick. There's no way you can mess it up. Get some of this Yum Yum sauce. This thing brings the rice to
The next level.
no,
next
three
level.
levels, like 3 levels on top of that one. It's crazy. So there you have it, guys. If you like the video, please give me a like. If you want to see more videos like this one, just subscribe to the channel. The recipes and everything is going to be in the description below. Let us know what you think, Speak your mind in the comments. Let us know. We read all the comments. We answer all the comments.
I do.
And I do too.
Yes, we do.
And we love to deal with you guys. So let us know in the comments below how we did. And remember that I love you.